As some of you may have noticed, I enjoy music. A way to enjoy music is by attending a concert. I've been to a few, but the most recent one was ITZY's concert in Metro Manila. A way to enjoy a concert is to wave around a lightstick. Makes it fun.
I don't own an official lightstick because they're damn expensive, but outside the venue was a vendor selling this simple lightstick.
It looks like an aircraft marshalling wand. This lightstick only lit up one color, though. That's why in this video, I'm going to try making a colored filter that will turn the white light into a color other than white. The blue paper I'm using here is Japanese paper because it's thin. That way, some light can go through. I taped it up with cellophane tape to add structure and cut it to fit inside the transparent tube.
Ta-da, looks great, doesn't it?
I found this green paper. It's not Japanese paper, but it is thinner than usual colored paper, so it works. Same method, tape and cut. Actually, you can write or draw on the piece of paper before or after taping it to add a design, such as the original white filter. But I didn't do that here.
And there you have it. 3 color options. That's all. Thank you.